Lot number 133 is a Hustler diesel zero-turn mower. As you can see, this mower is complete. It drives, it cuts. I drove it through here, and it has a lot of power. It's got a Caterpillar diesel engine. Tires look good. I can't tell you how many hours it has because I don't see the hour meter, or it's not legible. Let me see. It's not legible. There's some switches missing here, but it doesn't affect the working operation of it right now. So, as you can see, the unit, I'm going to turn on the blades and show you that it does. All right, Louis, you film me while I drive this thing. All right, so